What is it? What's this? Huh? What? What? A live stream? And it's still not very good, but actually watchable bitrate. Huh? What? There's purple on the chat box? 0 frames dropped. Yeah, welcome back to the Hyphen live stream, where it typically doesn't run at 2:16 p.m. Nor has it really ran in the past like 2.5 weeks because the internet's been bad, but the internet's been fixed. A lot of stuff has happened. I replaced my power switch with a Nintendo DS. How does it feel to have smooth internet? It's still not good. Also, really annoyingly, my I've plugged my game controller into the top computer ports, but that's all the way in the corner, so I don't have a lot of cable. I'm fine, I'm playing with this random seed. Whoa! I hope you guys like the thumbnail. I was planning on just using like a generic thumbnail, but I was like, no, I'm going to make fun of one of those like Mario Kart World. It's so over. Thumbnails, but yeah, so I chose the one by Nintendo Land because I think it's the funniest one, and it's also stupidly simple. What's his chat ranking thing? It's literally just like each live stream, I can see who the top 3, like if you're in the top 3 chatters or something, you get this like rank thing. And my hands are so cold, I cannot Mario Kart with these. So yeah, it's literally just... It's a feature that... It's another one of those features YouTube has done where they've ripped it completely from Twitch and ignored the part that makes it good. Like, they've essentially made channel points with this XP system that is useless. This game should flourish instead of MK World. I've seen Airship Forger from World, you love the design of it. I haven't actually played Mario Kart World, so I've only really seen things from content, but like, I haven't really seen it. Oh god. Let's go! Blue Shell Dodge! Let's go! Hey! What else has happened? Oh yeah, I've started doing weekly videos. That's been hell because they've all underperformed. I'll probably schedule whatever the next stream will be because I don't think I can't actually do a stream this weekend. There's too much stuff is happening. So, next stream will probably be like the Monday. But yeah, weekly videos and then 2 shorts a week. Yeah, that's just been going however it wants to. Damn, you ever sent more puddings watching bots my way? What? Oh, the chat ranking thing. No, the chat ranking thing actually ends every, or resets every stream. As well. Unless you're talking about the things. Imagine playing Mario Kart DS using a game controller. I have! There's a video on that. It's not a great video, it is like 3 years old or something. Like, even though it was uploaded like last year, it was still like 1-2 years old when it was uploaded. It was fine. I mean, using this the shoulder buttons are a bit too long. God, I am out of it. You can see people's handles. Oh yeah, because YouTube doesn't know what it wants to do with handles. Isn't that just bloody brilliant? Great feature, YouTube. Half them cut off. Yeah, that's great. Good job, YouTube. You really did it. You should play Mario Kart DS with an Atari 2600 controller. Wouldn't that just be like the A button, like drive and steer? You can't even do like hops or anything. It'll just have to be driving like this, like. Oh god, this is not the good track to showcase that on. Are those CPUs like really good on and just really rusty? I'm playing like actual garbage. My hands are slightly cold and the CPUs are on normal. But I'm pretty sure the CPUs are on normal. I don't usually ever change the CPU difficulty because it usually doesn't really do that much. But I was playing yesterday on the Wii U to get some practice in on like speedrunning. And like, by god, I was playing like garbage. I had Rainbow Road and I got second somehow because I got some good string of items towards the end. But like, that was easy CPUs, but I was just getting absolutely bullied because I had like, I think I had the 3 Amigos and Bowser. So I'm just like, I was just getting pinballed. Puddings won! But yeah, with the content, I've got a lot of ideas to for videos and things. Man, I just gotta be making them. And that's the annoying part. Cause like on like Monday, I recorded a normal video, like it was like random textures or something because I had already made it before I did the poll that said everyone no one wanted random textures. And that's hidden puddings. And then like later that day, I was like, I need to make a PC power switch because my computer's has to be moved because it's making awful sounds when it's upright. I'm like, oh, what am I making into this old Nintendo DS? And I did it, I recorded it, and I edited it, and I only edited like 3 tracks of the random textures of 8. Like the video recording of it. Doesn't actually, it takes like an hour or 2 hours for me to make that entire video if I really need to rush. So I'm good, because I've got like this week's videos made, the bosses one, you can see it right now if you remember. Ooh, plugs. Then I've got next week's video, which will probably be this power switch one. And then I've got the weeks after, which will be the random textures one. Now I get to like work on the fun ideas before I need to panic and make one of the boring ideas. Which I'm debating if it should be the next boring one if I want to do the Banshee Boardwalk. The Banshee Boardwalk. Fixing the respawns, because like a few of the respawns are actually on weird angles that don't actually line up the road. Did I play Mario Kart DS demo version that has the unused tracks and items? Well, it doesn't have unused items because they're just not usable. But I have played the I have played Kiosk demo, I have played the unused tracks. That was like one of the videos that ended up causing me to make the Hyphen Between series, and that flopped big time. Am I going to VidCon? Considering that I am Australian and nigh on broke, no. I'm going to PAX Australia. That's in Melbourne. And, I have put in an application to run Mario Kart DS at PAX Oz Speedrun. So, will I get in? I don't know. I didn't get into the bigger event, so I doubt it, but hey, why not have hope? Why did Mario Kart DS demo crash when trying to use a chain shop item? Have a wild guess. I just got a Steam notification for someone that it had none of the text or what game they were playing. It just showed their profile picture and the bounding box. This Bowser Hurricane is so annoying. Sorry, she's been playing about Hyphen streams for 2 weeks. You should not have. You guys should not have to rely on. On me for sustenance. Whatever you're saying, case O. Like, just stop. Your doctor prescribed Hyphen streams at least once a week. Oh god. You're so bored about the streams. To be honest, I was also sometimes quite bored. Because like I really gotta be in a particular mood to do like editing or recording videos, especially recording. I've gotta be on I've got to like actually like big think. How was Pudding's one got the #1 spot? You procrastinate so much of it. I mean, like, I can easily do editing when I'm, like, not in a mood, but, like... I think it's because I actually edit very basically. Like, one of my main problems with the next video that I plan on making, or that I'm currently in the editing room, this DS Power Switch one, is the videos audibly are really boring. I cannot for the life of me add sound effects to a video because I don't particularly enjoy them. I mean, I do enjoy some sound effects. Like, especially things that exaggerate things, but like, there's nothing in the video like needs sound, needs glitter. 5 minutes of video done and 3 hours of editing, that's more than just editing. That's like, if you're doing like proper motion graphics then, I'd hope, because like, 5 minutes of video will take me like 15 minutes. You think the best editing I've shown in my video is... I mean, obviously, the Hyphen in Between series was made to be more editing interesting. However, it just didn't work. Like, I failed at realizing that I just can't write scripts for my life, so that's why the editing was good, but the video itself kind of bad. That's why something like Family Guy Kart Year 3 is actually kind of good. It's a fun video in terms of the edit. Just basic editing, but your editing app is unstable, so but choosing the music sucks. I have no idea what the music. It's just MKDS battle theme, and Relap 64's every Mario Kart DS soundtrack remixed. When in doubt. When in doubt, Relap 64. You'll be the exact opposite. Tell your viewers you write good, but it's hard turning the video into a video. Oh, that's gonna fail to dodge. And I think it's also like the thing that's I've learned to edit like Mario Kart DS really well. Like I cannot. Everything I just do is off the cuff. Like I no longer really do scripted content unless it's very short. Or all my shorts. All my shorts are scripted. Well, most of my shorts are scripted. Woo! Do you think you'll sleep? You gotta get up kind of early to buy a pan to make pasta. Don't you make pasta in a pot? And why do you need to wake up early to buy that? Pasta. Sorry, I'm Australian. Pasta! Those massive stew pots. Okay. I am not a 10 out of 10 cook, especially when it comes to pasta. I'm reading chat so much, I'm not really focusing on the gameplay, so I'm just driving wherever the car ends up going. Oh god, take this Yoshi. Driving where the cart goes, yeah. Oh yeah, guys, quick question, because I've been getting a lot of comments on the YouTube short. There is so many people on the car charger DS video, which is just like, there was so many comments being like, that port's actually, I actually call that port a cigarette lighter. Like, why are so many people wanting to comment that? Like, the thing, it didn't happen in the first few days. It happened like 1-2 days ago. People just started commenting, oh yeah, cigarette lighter. It's interesting that everyone like sees the port in the car and goes, oh yeah, it's called a cigarette lighter. Despite, I don't think a single person has actually used it to, actually like, to light a cigarette. Yep. When Nintendo adds back Funky Kong to Mario Kart World, I mean, I can see it happening considering how basically free it would be for Nintendo. You should just die to get that item box. I've got a Rob as well. No wonder this sweeter CPUs suck. They've got the 3 heaviest characters in this room. What do I play on? Obviously, it's emulator, but what kind of controller do I use? I am using a Switch Pro controller. you realize something really odd. You don't remember how I found my channel. Yeah. I mean, this channel's been around for ages. Oh god. And like most people found me from like YouTube shorts and things because you know that makes sense. Another blue shell? Oh. Oh! That's an interesting dodge. Or failure to dodge. Considering the pro control of Mario Kart DS, the joystick is comfortable. So back and forth. Yeah, that's why I like the Switch Pro controller. Like, I just haven't, like, even with like things like the Wii U gamepad. I mean, the Wii U Pro controller is just not as good. I just like the Switch Pro controller. It's a shame it just sucks to. This is what happens with Rainbow Road. It's just what sucks to use it as like a PC controller because like you know, Xbox elitism. Well, it's like you know, Xbox is you know owned by Microsoft and Windows is Windows. Yes, I'm still stuck on Windows 10. October is nigh. There's been a lot of blue shells. Do you have any of your friends seeing my stream on the MKDS network? I mean, like, I'm a really strange person in the Mario Kart DS scene because, like, I'm not like I don't really like. I'm not really like a big part of it, but like I am like the biggest content creator. Did I make the trick with Mario Kart DS game? I did not make the tricks. I did apply the tricks to the base game. It was Prelit that did the hard coding stuff. I just applied the code to Mario Kart DS's tracks. Did you know in Mario Kart where you can dodge the blue shell using nothing? Really? I mean, unless you're talking about like, oh, you can dodge it using the code. Here's your advice for you to learn Linux. It seems scary at first, but it's in the same position as you. One of the things that like really annoys me with like Linux is like a lot of people seem to be in like the gamer. Everyone talks about it and then the gaming sense. It's like, oh, you just load up Wine for all your games. But I'm like, I also need to use this computer as like, I need to like use it as a computer. Here's the funny thing. So when I did work experience with a local media company, I use a Windows device, a Windows 10 laptop that feels like killing itself. It can upgrade to Windows 11. It will kill itself. How did that not work? Where's my long dodge? And like, because, you know, Apple computers are really good for media and like video editing and that kind of garbage. As well as like business. Business people love, oh god. Business love Apple. And so, you know, it's just a pain that I can't, like, communicate to Apple devices with my stupid Windows box. But to be honest, it wouldn't actually be that much more difference between, like, Apple and Linux as Apple and Windows. It would be, like, just as confusing. Why did the blue shell lose its wings in Mario Kart? Technically, it lost in Mario Kart 7. SMH. You know what tries? It's gonna sound... I heard the Stadia controller is actually good, though. It's the one good thing that came out of Stadia. Sounds like your oldest laptop is too slow to upgrade to Windows 11. No, my laptop can upgrade to Windows 11. My PC cannot. Oh well, Windows isn't thinking it can upgrade to Windows 11. You're not a Mac person yourself, but you got to make a big video on Final Cut Pro. It was good. But like also DaVinci Resolve, which is my editor of choice, guys. If you need a video editor, please use DaVinci Resolve. Don't be like, oh, I'll use like the free trial. I'll go pirate after. No, it's not After Effects. It's Premiere Pro. I'll go pirate Premiere Pro. No, just get DaVinci Resolve. It updates. It's good. It's actually professional, and you don't need to pirate stuff. Like, you can download it from legitimate sources. This means after October, the laptop will be forced to suffer no security update. I can't do anything with that laptop. That laptop's not really useful. Because it's too slow to edit on. And I don't have a reason to buy a better laptop because I currently don't have a job that requires me to have a laptop of that caliber. Long dodge. Yeah. You might jump to Resolve, you're using... What's Caden Live? If I do ever try Linux, try Caden Live. Nah, probably... No, because DaVinci Resolve's also on Linux. Basically, yeah, main principle of it's open source, everyone can contribute to it. Yeah, I know, but I do like DaVinci Resolve is, you know, actually a professional. That's kind of like one of the main reasons for it, because it's like nice, it's professional. Because, like, I actually need something professional because, you know, I have a degree in media. I am overqualified to be making Mario Kart DS videos on the internet for $4 a day. It's just because I didn't choose the standard video editor for the corporate world, which is Premiere Pro, but yeah. That blue shirt just cut across the wall. My hands are still really cold. They are warming up, but like... Also, guys, I've got a small little teaser about something I bought. There's a capture card on its way to Australia. A DS capture card. Don't tell people, though. Game, let me drive. What I may do with, what I may do with, like, when it comes to, like, Linux is... So, the current PC I have, it's functional enough. However, when I do need to do an upgrade, because I upgraded the motherboard, CPU and RAM last year, but the graphics card is still the one from 2021, as is the power supply and case. Now my friend who does the computer stuff, He's basically says that the power supply I have is just enough to run the computer. Whereas when I need to get an upgrade, it means that whatever GPU ends up being used will draw too much power. So I'll need a new power supply when I get a new GPU, which will probably also mean I need a new case, because this case is just big enough. Which means, and I haven't sold off my old motherboard and CPU. The RAM sticks were used to upgrade. I just added, they went from 2 RAM sticks to 4 RAM sticks. So, when I get the next computer upgrade, I can just have a second PC that I may make a Linux device. I may make it like a recording Linux device for like streams and things. Because then I can do things like stream my desktop and things like that. So I don't need to then worry about, you know, leaking my social security number that I don't own. And then I can keep the good PC for, you know, for being a good PC. Virtual machine, I can't be stuffed. You're falling asleep, but you gotta go to bed! This is an abnormal stream time. A Linux recording device is perfect. If you need to go for it if possible. I mean, I'm not really... I don't really need a good PC to stream Mario Kart DS because I'm not recording in it's not streaming in high enough quality. It's a 720p. Actually, can I up the bitrate to like a 20? I keep pressing. I swear OBS switched around the Let's go to 27. Ooh, look at that bitrate, guys. Oh no, the bitrate's no, that's too much bitrate, that's a studio mode button. Too much bitrate, guys, I apologize. Apologies, Telstra modem, I dropped to 93 frames. Keep in mind also the bitrate is like, you know, I say 2200 bitrate. It's actually like more. It's actually going towards like 26 because like that's just the video bitrate, where it's also got chucking like audio and whatever other processing data it needs. That's why Q's been talking the entire time. Yet for some reason he somehow dropped out of top 3 of these top fans. Yeah, just hide user. Guys, I think he didn't like Inside Out 2. Also, I like how he didn't like Inside Out 2 for the main protagonist being a girl, when Inside Out 1, the main protagonist was the same character. I mean, I haven't seen Inside Out 2, so like, but I don't really know what this person's doing and coming into a 9-viewer stream. Being like, God, I gotta spread my political agenda. Okay. How many races are we in? How long have we been playing? It's been only 35 minutes. Wow, it's not... I've said a lot of words. My words today is just going to go like out the roof. I don't keep track of how many words I've said today. Hey, I just sort of... Where's my internet going? Hey? Hey? I saw it get angry. Oh, the internet's getting angry. My Discord... See, we all can't be winners. Ow. Oh yeah, they did say like because they've just repaired the internet today, they may be running like tests and things to make sure it's still running good. So that could just been them getting the that could just been Telstra getting the speeds and being like, okay, yeah, it's still running good. Fun fact, Wi-Fi, I'm actually connected by Ethernet, so I think it may have just been Telstra running a small test to see if the internet's still running good. If you count correctly, this is my 17th track. We'll be able to tell by the point counter because I get 10 points every race. Cow when? I mean, I do need to do the, one of the streams next week will probably be the big Mario Kart DS 32 track, maybe. Oh, God. But, yeah. That's really all into the stream plans. Like, I've had this, like, month to concoct new stream ideas. And I've just not. That was our 16th race. You were one off verse. I'm more confident how you got one above, but yeah. Funniest part about having a random video blob is seeing everyone who's only there blob immediately unsubscribe to see that when they see you're not a content farm. Yeah, I mean, my sort of videos are kind of like, they're always sort of the same sort of thing. I mean, live streams are, I think, actually the highest losers of average of subscriptions. Because live streams like clogging up subscription feeds. But, yeah. I mean, the annoying thing is my subscriber count is actually quite inflated due to the shorts and things. But I still actually don't really have that many shorts, like, that have gone viral. Like, the highest one's only like, actually I don't remember what it's on. But it's like, it's not absurdly high compared to the rest of the channel, including videos. Even the videos don't even have that much variety in their view count. Your short views are through the roof lately, but you're not sure. I mean, YouTube changed how they're counting shorts views, so... Really funny thing about YouTube shorts. So, the other week, I uploaded the Pony Kart DS short. A random, nice little short. Mainly because I wanted to point out how funny it was that the creator was also scared. That short... It did actual garbage on YouTube. It's sitting at like 6th place in the least viewed shorts category. Still has more views than several videos. On TikTok and Instagram, it's gotten 6 digits. 1,500 to 2k views per short. Mine are all over the place. I'm getting like 1k to like 50k. So been out for 4 years, 20% of all YouTube videos are shorts. Rates half of YouTube shorts to be shorts by 2030. Well, I mean, it makes sense because, like, what does a phone record? Oh, how did I get dodged that red shell? Because a YouTube, yeah, it's simply just because YouTube, like, phone videos are way more prevalent. Like, it's not necessarily a creator's thing, it's more just like everyone's nan and pop is just uploading their phone recording to YouTube to send to their nephew. You always hated short solo and how... I never use shorts in the scrolly scroll, doom scroll method. That's what I saved Reddit for. Also, fish track? Fish? You haven't seen the fish in like a month. Fish. But yeah, I only use shorts. Like, there are good short creators. I do like some videos YouTube shorts can produce. Like, my stuff. Like, I put actual effort into my YouTube shorts. But it's just like, I don't like people think like that dismiss shorts on the just how they believe shorts are. But I do dismiss shorts on the doom scrolling aspect. But people are like, oh, hide shorts from the YouTube, from my subscription menu, because I'm like, no, I want to see what creators I'm making. Some people put unique topics as shorts. I do unique topics as shorts. Or they work completely differently anyway. Like, my video on the TV out, I've not made a pro video on the TV out. The YouTube short is the only one that does it. Oh my god, your body's got active addiction things. I have no idea what I'm doing on this track. How do I play this game in standard dry bones? Oh, damn it. Well, yeah, it's like it's a random YouTube channel. They make soccer balls. I mean, they call it footballs because, you know, they're American or something. They make, you know, they make the hexagonal ball with, they just use different shapes and things. Most of their videos are YouTube shorts. They are good shorts. Like, you only gambled once in TF2. I actually do have a YouTube short that I want to make that is that's either making fun of Australia's lax gambling laws or the Australian social media ban. The gambling one's way more obvious. The social media ban is more just me being critical of it. Bro, it's the 1% of gambles that quit after winning big. Oh yeah, that ban get away. I've noticed there's been a lot of social media bans or ID verification things that have been cropping up in the past like month. Like, hasn't the UK also added one? At 6 AM should you sleep? You should have slept like 3 hours ago at minimum. I hate this Bowser Hurricane. It's so annoying to deal with. I'm gonna be right old annoyed if this ban goes through, and I'm gonna need to tell them that I'm 18, despite the fact, or I'm over 18, despite the fact that this YouTube account is actively earning money. Like, do I need to put in my ID, despite the fact this YouTube account is my YouTube account that makes money, that I've already confirmed that I am above the age because I make content. God, if I need to do that, I'm gonna be right old annoyed. Yeah, the main problem I see with like the social media ban, or like just general just like ID limiting things, is that they're making the individual companies enforce it rather than like just making an easy government. Because like we've got this thing called just like my gov or my ID, I think it's now called, where it's like that's what all your IDs are onto. So it's like if I want to log into Centrelink or something, I go through my ID. And I feel like instead of using something like that, they're just going to make the companies create their own ID checking system. It's like, that's just not going to do good. What was that really stupid app that was like trying to be like a woman's safe space called like T or something? That had all their IDs just stored as plain text. Essentially. Oh, you're back. No, this is not the right scene. We're back! I don't know how many races they plan on playing. I may as well go through all 32. Plus you've already got the restricted stuff you need downloaded to a drive, you're set for life. What happened? Nothing of your concern. But yeah, I've got a busy Sunday to deal with. Because I've got like, I'm going to the city for an unrelated reason. I'm like, I may as well try and... Is it like 2 or 3 shorts I plan on recording things for? Because it's like, it's the 3DS camera, this critique of gambling, and I'm pretty sure it's another one. Or it could just be another one to do it. No, it's 2 of them to do with the 3DS's camera. I'm a reasonable person. The 3DS camera is peak quality. It records in literally 20 frames a second. Use your 3DS as a camera? No, I want to use my 3DS. Use your PS3 thing. I have seen. Why did that not go after Bowser? But yeah, I do want to make. I wanted to start. I've got a short that's like it's currently scheduled for like November because I placed it on my birthday, but I may actually put it earlier. I just want to make a series of just different cameras, different Nintendo cameras. Because when I get this capture card, guess what camera I can use? I can use the facening scan. At 20 FPS is higher than most of your favorite games. Yeah, it's 20 FPS in 480p, I think it is. Which is like standard def, I'm pretty sure. Which is the same as the DSi camera, strangely. In case you're wondering what the topics I'm filming with these cameras is, of course it's train spotting. So for the 3DS camera, for like the 3D video, I may actually do some more just general cityscape photography around Melbourne, but yeah. Long dodge. Oh, we got it! I didn't know you still had the bit. Yeah, I didn't know you could be out of the boosting set to get a long dodge. The only reason the DSi doesn't record, sadly, only pictures. Yeah, it sucks. Also, you can't turn off the shutter noise, so it does going, which is really annoying. It also has visible grain. I mean, it could also be that the cameras work really badly indoors, which is why I'm going outdoors to do goddamn train spotting. Because it's outdoors and it'll hopefully be somewhat fine. And I have no idea what's going on in chat here, so I'm just going to do a solid that. But yeah, I can't wait to be able to use the facening scan as a camera because it'll be so funny. And what else? I've got another person timer. Isn't that fun? Nope, I misclicked. Nice. Finally got it. Hope we don't get any more accounts, because otherwise it's sub-only mode. So I use Melon DS. So it's really annoying, the 1.0 update of Melon DS, because it screws up the scaling when you set your windows to be at... because I have my windows displayed at 125% because I'm blind as hell. I'm actually not actually that blind, I just like I like big displays. Oh, the internet's dying. Everything's dying. Game, can you... stream, can you please? Like... I was talking. Honestly. Thank you. What was I talking about? Melbourne DS 1.0 update, yes. Hey! Internet, calm down. The numbers are going all over the place. Having fun watching these numbers. Turnovers I've never seen before, like 2,503. Like, ooh, that's a number. Okay, they calm down. Looks like it's calmed down, but I don't know. Lap 2 of Choco Mountain. You may, if you're experiencing like a larger delay than normal, then like maybe refresh your page, because that typically helps with delay when Strum dies. But yeah, there is a scaling issue for certain things on Melbourne DS 1.0 when you're using Windows at a 125% display. There's no way to fix it. I tried Googling it, I've tried ChatGPTing it after the Google failed. I am, why not? The ChatGPT just gave me the Google answers. Cool, it's about, how's it gone? 24 hours, that's kind of fun. But there's only timeouts for long times because I can't be spoofed. I love when my stream gets targeted for stupidity. But yeah, the Melbourne DS 1.0 just doesn't scale correctly for what I use it for. And because I need it to, and because it also means that it holy hell. Where's... Haven't had to do that in a while. Don't know why, it's just any letter A. It's more confusing than anything. It's not like they're hating me, it's just like, I'm just gonna piss off this YouTuber. Giving me subscribers since 2025. It is 2025. I mean, I don't know how many tracks we are in, but I don't expect like 10 minutes to this stream to be much longer, because I'm just gonna go through the 32 tracks and give in, and then just give in, and then we'll see how the internet holds up for the weekend. There won't be a stream on the weekend, but yeah. Oh! That's so cringe. I'm like, I'm gonna go straight into that Green Shells line. That's great. Oh, we've got heaps of tracks left. Jesus Christ. That's like, what, 8 tracks or something? Oh, great. I forgot about this thing. What was really strange that in the, when I first did some live streams, one of the first series of live streams that did really well was me getting a blue shell dodge with every... Oh, no. It was me playing every character in every cart. Which took like 6 streams or something. And one of the really weird things was... There were so many bot accounts. Like, if you look into like the banned word list, you'll see it's just a series of just bizarre emojis, because that's the emojis these channels would use. And you know, they're just general just scam accounts trying to advertise stuff that you can't show on YouTube. That worst of both worlds. How did Lancashire not get? I suppose I was still facing the correct track. But like since then, like that was back in like 2022. Since then, I've not seen like a single one of those like bot accounts. Like most of the bans have been singular events or a certain somebody creating multiple alt accounts. Like, strange. And to be honest, there aren't many that bots on like Twitch either. Like, it's mostly like they're getting on top of the view and scam bots. Although Twitch is weird because all of the Twitch bots are like, oh, get views and followers here. Whereas on YouTube it was more just like, please click the link in my bio. It won't scam you. I think a lot of red shells just failed to connect, which is like way more than normal. Ooh, Mushroom Bridge. Yeah, I don't know much else to say. Wishing MKDS would get decompiled. They're occasionally working on it, but they're mostly working on it when they've got things to, like they need certain things like object code and things like that. There's no active decompiling team. And also, I think strangely a lot of decompile is like not really closed source, but it's not open. It's like not like a public thing to work to. You know, kind of suck, but yeah. We love the name of the new 3DS, don't we? Does never cause confusion. I have no idea what the last track could be. I don't really know what I haven't seen, like Cheek Cheek Beach, I don't think. Cooper Beach? I was like, have I played Cooper Beach? But apparently not. You think they're waiting to spam it? That would be hilarious. Because what, wouldn't I turn on sub-only mode? And I set it to 10 minutes, so like... Get out your egg timers. It always sucks that there's people out there that just there to make people have a bad time. What are the last two tracks? I don't have had Cheek Cheek Beach. Have we had Wario Stadium? We haven't had Sky Garden. No, we have had Cheek Cheek Beach. What is the last track going to be? Oh, no, we have had Moo Moo Farm. So I'm just going for like every track. Have we had Desert Hills? No, we did not have Wario Stadium. God, I'm good at this. Hey, Pop, that's not a grammar mistake. That's just spelling. That's just typos and fat fingers. Yes, desert holes. No, we did have Wario Stadium. Ah. Okay, so... We've had Wario. Oh. TikTok clock? I'm saying TikTok clock. Guys, put in your guesses. I'm so good. Oh my god, Verse, you're so good! Why? Jacobons, I'm so confused! Oh, nice. Keep cogging away. I can't wait to see like the subscriber count go like way up and then like as soon as I end the stream it goes way down. Oh, this isn't great. This isn't not a good cycle. Well, I suppose I've got limited time in order to end the stream. If Mario's still streaming, I'll shove him to Mario. Mario started streaming basically the exact same time that I did. Like 2 minutes earlier. It was stream set for like 2:13 and I was set for 2:15. Woo! It has been 10 minutes. I feel like it's been way past 10 minutes, but I don't know. Maybe they're trying to get like multiple accounts on so they can just like absolutely ruin my day. Oh nice, Mario's still streaming. Talking about, which is really funny because my stream is explicitly targeting one of those funny thumbnails. And this should be Yoshi Falls. Yeah. Well, that's the stream. It's been a darn while since one has happened, so... yeah, that's really it. I hope you guys have had a day. Not the guy that's spamming the chat or going to spam the chat. I don't know, spam Mario's trail or something. Stay tuned because there's a redirect and yeah. Oh, there it happens.